Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of my tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create surface from curve or polygon surface with curve by the help of surface Birel 1, 2 and 3 tool, 3 plus tool. So let's get started. Go to create curves, take CV curve or any curve which you like. I take CV curve, create curve as shown, press enter. Now right click edit point. Again go to curve option. This is very important to reveal the edit point because if you want to create surface or polygon surface from the curve with the help of Birel tool, you should snap the curve point. So to snap the curve with another curve, press V on your keyboard, click one point here, another point here, another point here, another point here, and another hand here, press enter. See, this is very important. You have to snap the curve with one another. To snap the curve with this, right click edit point, select again CV curve, press V to snap the curve. See, press enter. This is very important. If you don't snap the curve with one another, your Birel tool or surface creating system will not work. So you should bear in mind that you should snap the curve with one another for the Birel 1 tool. So go to surface, Birel, select open Birel 1 tool option, edit, reset the setting. Select transform control proportional, output geometry, select polygon instead of NURBS curves, select quad or triangle which you like, select general, and in initial tessellation control, U type, select ISO per surface isoparan, type here any number which you like, change this, type here 5. You should bear in mind that U type and V type should be same per ISO surface of isoparam and number which you like. Now go down, select Birel 1 tool, first select this curve, then this one, and then this one. See, the surface is created after finishing the function of your Birel tool. Again press H to hide this surface and see, select the Birel tool, first select your first profile curve, then your Birel curve, first select your rail curve, then select your first rail curve, and then second rail curve. See the function of Birel 1 tool. Now hide this. To see the function of Birel 2 tool, again turn on your edit point option, right click edit point, select this one, right click edit point, again select, go to create curve, select CV curve tool, this time I select EP curve tool, and press V to snap the pivot point. Again press V to snap the another point here, press enter and see whether the curve is closed. I think the curve is closed. Select this one and also this one. Sorry, this one. Right click, click edit point. Select this. I think the vertex is, the curve is closed. To see the function of Birel 2 tool, you should close the curve. Otherwise, your Birel 2 tool function will not work. See, then go to surface, Birel 2 tool, open the option, edit, reset the setting, select polygon, quad, surface isoparam, type here, this time I type here 7 and 7. Select Birel 2 tool. Now select all the curve, press delete. Now again go to create curve, CV curve tool. Create curve. This time I am going to show you the function of Birel 2 tool. Ctrl G to undo. Press X to turn on snap to grid option. Press enter. Now create another curve. Press X to turn on snap to grid option. Press enter. Now again select, go to create curve, select CV curve. Press X to turn on snap to grid. Press enter. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. CV curve tool, press X, turn on snap to grid. Press enter. To see the function of Birel 2 tool, you should turn on the, you should close the curve. Sorry, Ctrl G to undo. Otherwise, your Birel tool will not work. You should close the curve, press enter. Go to perspective view. Now select, go to surface, Birel 2 tool, open Birel 2 tool option. Edit, reset the setting. Select polygon, select quad, select general, change it to per surface isoparam. Change the number. Press enter. Select Birel 2 tool. First select your first curve, then your target curve, then select this one and also this one. See the function of Birel 2 tool. Your Birel 2 tool only work when you completely close the curve. Hide this. If your point of the two curves are not connected, your Birel 2 tool will not work. See, this is very important. You have to snap the curve point with each other. Otherwise, your Birel 2 tool will not work. See, if you want to create surface with Birel 2 tool, you should close the curve or you should connect the curve with each other, or otherwise your Birel 2 tool option will not work. Let's talk about the surface Birel 3+ tool. So go to create curve tool, select CV curve tool, reset the tool and press X to turn on snap to grid option on your keyboard and create the curve as shown. The very important thing for creating surface with Birel tool in Maya is to snap the curve with each other. This is very important. Now again double click on the curve tool, reset the tool, select linear, press X to turn on snap to grid option and create the curve as shown. Again press X, press enter, press enter. Now again select, press X to turn on snap to grid option and create the curve as shown. You should snap the curve with each other. That means all the curves should be connected with each other so that or they can contact with each other. See, this is very important, otherwise your Biral tool will not work. Sorry, Biral 3+ tool will not work. So go to surface, Biral 3+ tool, edit, reset the setting, select polygon, output geometry, select type quad, select tessellation method general, U type per surface per span of isoparam. Do the same, type here U7 and V7 or any number which you like. I type 8. Select Biral 3+ tool. Now see, this is very important step. First select your tool step by step and press enter. This is very important, otherwise your tool will not work. Then select the target curve and press enter. See, the surface is created. Now lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. See, your surface is created with the surface Biral 3+ tool. Now again select the surface and hide this, and notice, first select your Biral 3+ tool, select your curve step by step and press enter on your keyboard. You should press enter after selecting your curve step by step, rail curve step by step, press enter, then select your target curve and see, the surface is created. See, with this curve. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.